Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, General 1, Title Sheet and Index. This video illustrates A. Information shown on the title sheet, B. Show project location on a map, and C. Create sheet index. The title block consists of a vertical 1.8-inch wide strip which corresponds to the size of the Atkins plan production sheet drawing layout viewport that is located along the right side of each drawing sheet. It is prepared on a separate drawing at a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot that will be XREF into the other drawing. The title block contains a total number of sheets in the drawing set, the drawing sheet number, drawn by, scale, date, project number, project name, drawing sheet name, revision block, name of engineering company, and engineer seal. The title sheet is the first sheet in a set of construction drawings. It contains information on the type of improvements to be constructed, location, project number and date, name of engineering company and seal of registered engineer that supervised the preparation of the construction drawings, and the name of the governing agency and department heads. Some title sheets may contain more or less data. The title sheet is drawn at a 1:1 scale where 1 inch equals 1 inch. The border shown is 34.4 inches wide by 28.8 inches high, which corresponds to the Atkins plan production sheet size. The textile shown is Arial Black, which is a true type font. The second sheet in a set of construction drawings generally contains a location map and a sheet index. An XREF of a map is created on a blank drawing. The scale of the drawing is as needed to show the location of the project in a suitable relationship to the surrounding area. For this project, the scale of the map is 1 inch equals 2,000 feet. A bold polyline is drawn on the map to show the limits of the project, and a text label along with a north arrow have been added. The sheet index text is created on the location map drawing. The text is generally created as an mText object. The font currently shown is Arial. The size of the text on the plotted drawing should be approximately 0.15 inches. The size of the text currently shown is 300, which is adjusted for the 2000 scale of the location map. A 32.4 inch wide by 22.8 inch high rectangle was created and scaled 2,000 times to represent the viewport area available in the Atkins plan production sheet drawing that is currently highlighted in the drawing. The area within the magenta borders will be shown in their respective paper space viewports on the index sheet that will be plotted. Enter to start the move command. Use the window to select the sheet index text and border. Enter. Base point, pick the lower right hand corner of the border. Insert point, pick the lower right hand corner of the white border. This is how the sheet index will be displayed when it is plotted. Control Z to restore the sheet index to its previous position. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.